This is a quick tutorial on how to make a dodecahedron in Fusion. So your first step is to create a sketch on the bottom plane, and then navigate to the create tool, and then under polygon you want to select circumscribed polygon, and then you want to drag out from the origin. For the edge number, type in 5. Then from there you click the automate tool and then click your first option. From there you can type in 60 millimeters. This automatically defines your sketch. From there you want to go to the surface tab and then go under create, click patch, and then you want to patch the sketch that you made. Navigate to the move and copy tool, select your patch, click rotate, and then the axes, select one of your edges and then create a copy. From there type in 116.6 for the angle and then hit OK. From there you want to click S and then type in circular pattern. Once that pops up, select the new face that you made, and then the axes, select the blue line or the X axis, and then you want to drag that toggle to 5. From there you want to select all your bodies, then under move, click move and copy, click rotate, create a copy, and then for the axis select one of your edges again, and then you want to rotate that 180 degrees. Under modify, click move and copy, select the new faces, so that's body 12 to 7, and then click point to point, and then for the points select the edges and kind of match up the bottom and top halves together. And then from here you'll basically have your dodecahedron almost completed. The next step is to go to the thicken option within create, and then select the top and bottom faces, and then you want to choose the direction to be symmetric and then thicken it by 5 millimeters, and then hit the thicken tab again, select all the remaining faces, and then for the thickness type in 5, and then that should be all your thickened faces. From there you want to type in chamfer into the shortcuts tab and then select all the faces, and then you want to chamfer that by 5 millimeters, and then there you have your dodecahedron. And if you want to add a logo, select the face that you want to add your logo to, and then from there click insert SVG, and then from there insert your logo, align it correctly within your face, and then to add dimensionality you want to extrude the main elements of your logo by 3 millimeters, and then the remaining shapes, remaining areas, you want to extrude that by 2 millimeters, and then you hit OK, and then that should be your completed dodecahedron.